Analyst confirms Israeli and U.S. drone losses during Iran strikes. United States missiles, drones, and Israeli fighter jets began striking targets inside Iran on February 28 at approximately 9:45 a.m. Iran Standard Time, 1:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, launching a coordinated military campaign aimed at degrading Iranian military infrastructure and air defense networks. The operation was conducted under the Israeli codename Operation Roaring Lion and the U.S. codename Operation Epic Fury, marking a joint combat action involving long-range precision weapons, unmanned systems, and fighter aircraft. The strikes targeted multiple sites across Iran as part of an effort to weaken the country's integrated air defense system and reduce its ability to threaten allied aircraft operating in the region. Early operational results indicate that Israeli and United States forces achieved broad air superiority over several operational zones, though Iranian defenses were not entirely neutralized. Since the operation began, Iranian air defense units have not succeeded in shooting down any manned aircraft belonging to Israeli or United States forces. However, several unmanned aerial vehicles deployed during the campaign have been destroyed by Iranian defensive fire. Open-source battlefield monitoring suggests that Israel has lost several drones during the operation. According to OSINT specialist Elmastek, who monitors equipment destruction across active conflicts, analysis of publicly available photos and video confirms the destruction of 8 Israeli unmanned aerial vehicles as of March 8. The losses include 3 II Heron drones for Elbit Hermes 900 systems and 1 unmanned aircraft of an unidentified type, according to the OSINT assessment. The Israeli Heron and Hermes 900 platforms are among Israel's primary long-endurance reconnaissance and strike UAVs. Both systems are widely used for intelligence gathering, surveillance, and precision targeting missions, often operating at high altitude and extended ranges. The Heron, produced by Israel Aerospace Industries, is capable of remaining airborne for more than 24 hours and is designed for long-range intelligence and surveillance missions. The Hermes 900, produced by Elbit Systems, is similarly designed for persistent surveillance and can also carry precision-guided munitions depending on mission configuration. The destruction of several drones suggests that some Iranian air defense elements remain operational despite sustained Allied strikes against radar systems, missile batteries, and command infrastructure. United States forces have also recorded equipment losses connected to the ongoing operation. According to open-source assessments, 3 MQ-9 Reaper drones operated by the United States were destroyed during the campaign. The MQ-9 Reaper is a long-endurance, remotely piloted aircraft used by the U.S. military for intelligence gathering, surveillance, and precision strike missions. The aircraft typically operates at medium altitude and can carry a combination of sensors, guided missiles, and laser-guided bombs. In addition to drone losses, the United States also lost 3 F-15E Strike Eagle fighter aircraft, though the incident occurred outside Iranian territory. The aircraft were reportedly shot down during a friendly fire incident in the skies over Kuwait, where U.S. forces were responding to Iranian drone attacks targeting regional military bases. The F-15E aircraft had been engaged in defensive operations aimed at intercepting Iranian unmanned systems approaching bases used by U.S. forces in the region when the incident occurred. Despite these losses, early assessments suggest the joint campaign has achieved operational objectives related to suppressing Iranian air defense capabilities. Allied forces have continued to conduct aerial operations in the region without the confirmed loss of any piloted aircraft to Iranian surface-to-air missile systems. Some analysts caution that the operational picture remains more complex than early battlefield assessments may suggest. Tyler Rogaway, editor-in-chief of The War Zone, noted that despite the scale of Israeli and United States strike operations, Iranian air defenses have not been fully neutralized. There is no air dominance over all of Iran. Not even close, Rogaway wrote, emphasizing that while Allied forces may have achieved localized air superiority in certain areas, parts of Iran's air defense network remain active. Modern integrated air defense systems rely on layered radar networks, command centers, and multiple missile types designed to track and intercept aircraft, drones, and cruise missiles. Military campaigns aimed at neutralizing these systems typically begin with large-scale strikes targeting radar installations and air defense launch sites, followed by continued pressure using drones and standoff weapons. The operations conducted by Israel and the United States appear to follow this model, combining long-range missile strikes with persistent surveillance from unmanned platforms and fighter aircraft.